beekeeping, as in the rest of life, these days there are a lot of copies of various things, and there are just two in beekeeping that I'd like to briefly discuss because I think they will help beekeepers. One of which is queen cages. Now, all these queen cages are very, very similar. They're roughly the same size, they're the same thickness, they all do the same job. But there is one difference. If you're handling queens on your own, I find it handy to be able to open the cage with one hand, like that. Some of them you can't open very well with one hand. Whoops, that one's got squashed in. Look, see the sort of thing that causes a problem. There is another one. Now these two that are difficult to operate are both copies of, I think, this one. Now this one is made in France by a company called Nicot, N-I-C-O-T. I may well have pronounced that wrongly, it may be Nico or whatever, but as far as I'm concerned, I come from Sussex and that's Nicot. I find these very, very much easier to operate single-handedly, so I can just drop a queen in there, close it up, and then when I want to put workers in, just do the same thing. It's very, very difficult to do it with these. These Nicot ones, and you can tell because they've got the name Nicot across the top there. These others haven't, they're just straight copies. Now what I've found is the Nicot ones actually aren't very much more expensive than the cheaper ones. But of course it's the cheaper ones you tend to get online. You know, you buy them on various websites. They might appear to be the same thing. So I suggest strongly that that you go for a Nicot. Now another thing that Nicot do and are very good at is this queen rearing box, which are called cell plug method. This one is called the Cupkit, or in the UK and Ireland it's called Cupkit. I think everywhere else in the world it's called Cupulave. That is the original Nicot one, and that is a cheap copy. Now when I say cheap, they are quite reasonably priced, and it's easy to think, oh yes, I'll go for the cheaper one. One word of warning: they are made, I think, by several companies, and they make them all slightly different sizes, and that's where the problem comes. If you just want to stick to one box and one series of bits, then that is fine. But I've even bought some of these, and some of the bits don't even fit. And the sort of thing that that I find is that this is one of the cheaper ones. That's the official Nicot one. You've got to put them on there, and lo and behold, put it in a hive, and that's what happens. Also, the hair curlers, they will fit one, but not the other. So, I must point out that I have no interest in the Nicot company at all, just that I'm trying to pass on my experience of good quality equipment that will take the stress out of beekeeping and help you enjoy it much more.